I did have a purpose for getting out tonight. I need to do some last minute, last second, late night grocery shopping. And I figured that would give me the perfect excuse. Definitely smoke. That's not good. That would give me an excuse to hoon a bit and shoot some vlogs. Yeah, on my way to the 24-hour grocery store. Something we do actually have out in the boonies where I'm from. Got to pick up the most essential of all essentials, some TP, and also some food for work lunches, and some snacks. Yeah, that's smoke. Alright, let's see what I broke. As the car dies. You know what, I'm just gonna kill it, because it definitely is not enjoying idling so low. Not just smoking, it's also leaking. Whatever it's leaking a lot of it.